birthday yan.
Birthday yan.
Ikaw, te.
Happy birthday pa. We love you always. Ang pingi mong lawas.
Hello yan. Happy birthday. Officially senior citizen na jud ka. And take good care of yourself. Ayaw palabi sa imuhang inom, or whatever it is. And thank the Lord for always, for all the good things that happen sa imong life. Yeah, enjoy. Enjoy sa imong birthday and have a good one. Celebrating with your family diha sa Manila. Have fun.
We hope you have a wonderful time and congratulations. You're officially a senior citizen. Happy birthday.
Good stuff.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ian. You're officially now a senior citizen. Love you. Bye. Happy birthday, Uncle Ian. Stay cool. Stay coolish.
Happy birthday, Noy. Love you.
Hey, Uncle Ian. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day today.
Hi pa, your life has been a journey of love, hard work and dedication. I'm so inspired by the person you are and all the values you have taught me. I love you. Happy 60th birthday.
Hi pa. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and stay strong. Love you, miss you.
Hey, Ryan. Wish you good health and long life. Take care of yourself, especially your health. We love you. Mabuhay, Ayan Perez.
Tagay-tagay na lang.
Ay, no yan. Happy 60th birthday. Hinaot nga ang Diyos magpadayon sa pagpanalangin kanimo sa taas ng kinabuhi. Ug imong enjoy kini nga bag-ong kapitulo isip usa ka na ka senior citizen sa Republika sa Pilipinas. Salig lang sa Ginoo. Amping perme. God bless you more, no yan.
Ay Kuya Ian, happy birthday po. And ingat po kayo. Ingatan nyo po yung health nyo. And God bless po. Salamat.
Happy 60th birthday, Uncle. We appreciate everything you've done for our family and your love, your wisdom, and your constant presence is very much appreciated. I hope you feel extra special today and your birthday.
Congratulations again for being a senior citizen. Not everyone is able to do so, and we wish you more years of good health, happiness, and love. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, we love you.
Hi Tito, happy birthday. Stay healthy, more blessings to come, and enjoy your day.
Ayan Alfred Perez. Bye, Ayan. Kumusta? Happy 60th birthday. Mo na ni. Dual citizen na ta. We're not getting any younger now. My birthday wish for you is enjoy life, good health, and amping sa kanunay. Hope to see you soon, Pohod. Mauli ko diha. And again, happy birthday, bye. Bye.